This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to make your crinoline rose flower design fascinator. You need 2 yards of crinoline, which you are going to cut into pieces. I've cut my crinoline into pieces. I'm going to make 7 of these. It's 7 inches, while the length of it is 14 inches for my crinoline. I'm going to use this accessory to design it. And rose. Look at this rose is made by me. Therefore, it's on sales, wholesale and retail. You can get it. If you want to be part of the people that will be selling it, you can call my number or WhatsApp me. Thank you. You need your needle and thread, and you need your scissors and your tape rule. Then you take your needle and thread. Look at my hand. I fold it from the edge up. I fold it in a triangular form down. Then from the end here, I fold it again. Then you take your needle and thread. You make sure you tie the beginning of it 2 times so that the thread will not loose. Then you run your stitches. You turn it, you do the same thing to the other side. You fold it at the edge to form a triangular shape. Then fold it again like this. Then continue the hemming to the end of it. It will give you something like this. Then turn it. Make sure you tack it very well. You can see it. It will give you something like this. Remember that I told you we are going to make 7 of it. This is the 7 pieces that I've made. Now we are going to join it together. Then this is the front. These 2 edges will face the back. Then take it one after the other and join it. With your needle and thread. Fourth one. Then I'm going to use my accessories to design it. It's putting it at the middle of it, then tack it with the fascinator. Then take your comb. Use the comb, put it at the back. Tack your comb with it. Then take your rose and put your rose in the middle. You can tack your rose too. This is the design, rose design. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to call us for the rose if you have interest in it. It's in wholesale price. Thank you.